When you took many photos with your iPhone, and wondering how to back up these precious photos on PC, or just want to transfer the photos to computer for further editing. Here you can find 4 simple ways to transfer iPhone photos to Windows PC without iTunes. Method 1. Directly transfer iPhone photos to PC via Windows File Explorer. What you need other than your iPhone and computer is only a USB cable. Make sure to use the original cable. Then follow below steps to transfer iPhone photo to PC. Step 1. Connect your iPhone with computer by cable. When your iPhone asks you for allow this device to access photos and videos, tap Allow. Step 2. Open the File Explorer and find the storage drive of your iPhone. Step 3. Go find the photo folder, open it. Step 4. Copy the photos that you want to export to computer. Step 5. Then open the folder where you want to save the iPhone photos on computer, paste the files here. Unfortunately, this method is completely a probability event. In many cases, your File Explorer of Windows computer, especially Windows 10, won't recognize the iPhone, or you will find the drive empty, no DCIM folder show up, or the computer won't support HECI photos, even though it shows as PNG on Windows PC, or you will find the photo is very fuzzy. In these cases you can directly go to the second way. Method 2. Export iPhone photos to Windows PC by MediaTrans. It's an iPhone multimedia manager, which allows you to selectively sync data between iPhone and PC easily in a flash, and the operation is very simple. Step 1. Also connect iPhone with computer through USB cable. If it's the first time to connect, you need to tab Trust this computer when it asks on your iPhone. Step 2. Launch MediaTrans, Go Photo Manager. Here you can see the photos are categorized by type and date. Step 3. Select which photo or photos as you want. You are allowed to choose by year, month or date. Step 4. Then click Export to transfer the photos to a folder on PC. It's very good that you can choose either to export HEIC photo to JPG or HEIC. Also, if your photo is a little bit personal and don't want others to see it, you can choose to encrypt it. Actually, there's one easier way. Directly drag the photos to the folder, then it will be exported to PC very fast. Method 3. Send iPhone photo to PC by email. It's a good way if you only transfer a few photos, because usually the mail server only allows you to send the file less than 25 megabytes. It's about 8 general photos. Now, attach the photos to email and send this to yourself. Find the email on your computer and download to PC. Method 4. Sync photos from iPhone to PC with cloud service. iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, and many other cloud services can let you get the photos from iPhone to PC wirelessly. Let's take Google Drive as an example. First, upload the photos to Google Drive on your iPhone. Then, go to Google Drive on Chrome on Windows. Next, sign in to Google Drive. Finally, choose the photos you want to save and download them to PC. The disadvantage is time consumption. What's your method to transfer photos from iPhone to PC without iTunes? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.